Your machine shop's running at full capacity. More orders are coming in. Do you take the new orders and try and juggle everything? Do you tell the customer, I don't have the capacity? Do you take the orders and then outsource them? Do any of these options sound like a plan that makes you happy? There is another way. You can use a purpose-built machine-tending robot to tend your CNC machine. Not only will productivity and throughput increase during the day, but you can load the parts table, program the job before you go home, hit the green button, and then leave. When you come back, you'll see that the robot worked until the job was done. You can expand your production capabilities without adding another CNC machine or staff. Talk about coming down the cost curve. To learn more about how CNC machine tending robots can improve your productivity and throughput, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.